guys, Kiwi Reviews here, and today we have from Michaels. I just picked up a Grav bag, which I think is just stuff from the older years. So let's unbox this. This is very hard. I assume that these things are pretty old, maybe. I did peek it inside the box. This was only $10 and not bad for the stuff which includes in it. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. Wow, I see some Christmas things actually. So the first thing we have here is a hollow pumpkin decoration. Really, I don't really know the concept. Maybe you put other things inside of it. So we gotta have one of those. Here we have a sticker thing, glow up stickers. That's pretty cool. Another hollow pumpkin, but in orange. So 2 blacks and 1 orange so far. Here we have a painting kit to paint whatever this says. Here we have another one, which I think has another one. And another one of the same thing. You just paint it. This is cool. Day of the Dead. That's pretty cool. Hang it on your wall. Here we have a mini foam tombstone. Here. It's pretty plasticky and floaty and weird. Oh gosh. A ton of trick-or-treat bags. Oh, I'll get to that later. Mini decoration of a black rose inside of a little bottle. And that's cool. Oh, I'll pick that up last. Another weird hole inside of a black pumpkin. It's the third one. Oh, I saw this year. Oh, it broke. But it's supposed to have a skeleton face here and it lights up. Oh, mine's broken. So that's bad. But let's see what we have here. Wow, that is very distinguished. That's weird. Get this. It's a fake small wooden piano. This thing is extremely heavy. That is just weird to put up. Oh gosh, this thing's huge. A funny little decoration of a skeleton in a bathtub. That's cool. A little fireplace. And right here we got a coffin with some roses on the top. More bags. I have a ton of these for some reason. More bags. And guess what? More bags. So many bags. Right here, just a skeleton painting. That's cool. Once again, more bags. Who needs this many bags? Probably they just wanted to get rid of these. Here we have another painting. Different than the other one. That's nice. More bags. These are cool. You can make them yourself and you hang them up. They're little like dishes. You hang up. Here we have roses, black roses. 2 more of these. Another one. Oh. Oh. Another coffin. Oh my gosh. This is so much. Another one of the decorations. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Michaels, get rid of your stuff. Alright, that was all for the Michaels box stuff. I got a lot of repeats. So if you want to spend $10 of your own hard-earned money to buy a whole bunch of crap, go to Michaels. Kiwi Reviews here and signing out. See you in the next one.